All right, for this video, we're going to do the second half of step 5 as well as step 6 and 7 in your installation guide. So the second half of step 5 that was not done in the previous video with the hoses is securing the other posts. So A2 we already have here, as well as the B2 posts. So we're just going to go ahead and use some S1 screws and get those all set. And actually, one thing we can do here is, since we haven't attached the B2 post yet, is partially screw the S1 screws in both of the pre-drilled holes, and that way we're setting ourselves up for both finishing up step 5 as well as the second part of step 6, which you'll see here shortly. Alright, so we have our partially screwed in screws. So I'm going to line up the posts, slide it in. The screws will, again, once it fit into these notches, so you know when you've set the posts in far enough. Alright, easy enough. And then you can go ahead and secure the screws the rest of the way. On the bottom here, up against F3. All right, and then we'll take our fourth frame, F4. You'll know that it's F4 by the label, as well as we have the pre-installed safety straps. So we're going to take the slots, line them up with the posts, and just sink them in. All right, they don't have far to go, so just give them a good push down. You're all set. And then we have the partially screwed in screws here. So next step you can do is go ahead and tighten those the rest of the way. And then you can do that for the other 3. And for now, we're going to go ahead and go on to step 7. So you're going to get what we're calling your arch base, which is this U-shaped piece, as well as a couple of screws. On each side of F4, the short length of the frame, you're going to have 2 pre-drilled screws. You're going to then just take your arch base, line up the screws with the screw holes, and secure them in there. So you're going to have one for both sides. They're the same, so you don't need to worry about putting one on one side or the other. All right, there you have it, all the way up through step 7.